Hey, what's up everybody? This is Edward, your favorite homeboy. This morning we're going to Hyattsville, Maryland. It's a property that I manage and I've been managing for several years now, but the tenant's moving out, so we're going to go down there and meet my maintenance technician down there, Susie. And we're not just going to determine the condition so that we can know what to take out from the deposit, but we're also going to go down there to figure out what we need to do to fix it up so we can sell it. So we'll see you in 1 hour in Hyattsville, Maryland. Okay, we made it to 7502 Taylor Street. This is the front of the house. It's one of the larger homes in the neighborhood. It's gonna need a little bit of work of landscaping here in the front. Just gonna clean up the beds, take out the dead stuff, take out the second row of landscaping stone and put down fresh mulch. We're going to take off that screen door. It's got a crack in the glass, and update the light fixture here in the front. Put in a black fixture, and by the garage, take the leaves out of the gutters. We're gonna replace any missing screens on the windows. The lawn should be pretty easy because the grass is no longer growing. We'll just do a final cut and clean of the leaves. For the side, we'll probably just kind of clean up all the ivy growing up on the house. There is some drainage we gotta clear out. Looks like it's been stuffed up with dirt over the years, but there is a French drain system in the house around the backyard to prevent the water from going down into this area here. You can see the sump pump, so it's been a problem in the past. And along the back here, there is not a ton of room in the home to be going buck wild with the renovations. So I'm gonna keep it simple. Just take care of any distractions for a buyer when they first come, look at the house and get it inspected. Taking out all these personal items, trimming the trees. Any conducive conditions for termites, we're gonna take care of that now ahead of time. And of course, all this trash that was left, we gotta get rid of all of that. Okay, so coming into the house, we're gonna repaint all this. Give it a good first impression. It's a split level floor plan. Down here, this is a main living area. We're gonna take down these mirrors, patch up all the holes from previous water damage. They had to cut into the drywall to dry out the drywall. And this is the door to the garage. This is one bedroom here. Man, they love their stickers. But this egress window may not be big enough, so we either have to put a bigger egress window in here or just call it a bonus room and let them figure it out, the next buyer. But technically there's 2 bedrooms down here, a full bath, and kind of a half kitchen. We have a shower, and the door here is missing that we have to replace. Towel bar and the fixture we're probably going to replace. More stickers. And all this hardware we're going to replace just because it's rusty. We're probably gonna make everything just a brushed nickel. Here's the other bedroom here, the closet, and again, egress windows there. We need to look into the size of what's proper for that. Utility room is fine. Just need to clean up the washer dryer, but the water heater and HVAC are brand new. We're probably gonna get rid of that just to create more space here, and put in new appliances just to give people the idea of, hey look, you've got a kitchenette that can be very handy and a potential separate entrance out to the back. So downstairs is real simple, it's all cosmetic, just like upstairs. New drywall section repairs and paint. Okay, so coming up to top level, you've got the living area up here, and then you come right into the kitchen. The kitchen, we're just gonna put in some new appliances. Make sure all the cabinets are functioning properly. All the windows that have the broken seals like that, when it's all cloudy, we're just gonna replace. Take down those vertical blinds. So basically you come up here, it's gonna be nice, light and bright. All the windows will look great. New appliances, and you'll have a new entryway fixture here that we'll invest in. All the flooring is great. We could probably keep all the wood and tile. And the bedrooms are carpet, and we'll replace those. All right, here's one bedroom, new carpet, windows with broken seals. We'll probably put a new light fixture here, but you do have the brushed nickel here, so we can probably keep that. So some of these rooms are partially upgraded already with their hardware. Same thing here, new window, new light fixture, new carpet and paint. And then the master, new carpet, new paint, new light fixture. Same formula for all the bedrooms. We'll probably replace these cabinet doors here. since they're peeling. And then ideally we could put in some new tiling for the bathtub, maybe go all the way up to the ceiling. So here's the master bathroom, just super grimy looking bathtub. But if we could replace this old builder grade tile with it's kind of like a subway tile, the small stuff that's rectangular, that'll look really nice and kind of complement the flooring a little bit. We'll just go all the way up to the ceiling. I think that'll look great. Probably try to keep all the vanity and the light just because it's trying to do the bare minimum here just because there's not a lot of room here in the budget. So that's it. 7502 Taylor. We're gonna get some bids and we'll see how this place looks in a month. Come on, you know you want to pick up. You know it's me, your favorite homeboy, wanting to sell your house. Got the voicemail. Hey, this is Edward, Mars Hill Realty. I hope you're doing well. You know, I just wanted to check in one final time. I haven't heard from you in a while, and I've been kind of checking in through voicemail and email just to see where you're at on Taylor Street. We're ready to go, and well, with marketing and with video. Just wanted to see if you're still intent on selling your property, and we'd love to help you out with that. So feel free to give me a call. Have a great Christmas. My number here again is 571-267-8639. Thanks. Well, I guess that's how the cookie crumbles sometimes. We've been following up with this client since about November, since you first saw that video. And you know, there's a time when you just kind of call it quits. It's always nice when the client will actually say, I'm not selling the house or something like that, but sometimes they just ghost you, like I just got ghosted. You know, I actually looked on the market too, and the house isn't even listed yet, so I'm not sure what happened. Usually I'll find it listed and I'm like, okay, it's pretty obvious they went with someone else. But in this case, it's really weird because he gave no indication that he would look for someone else. You know, we were moving forward, and then he just stopped taking my calls. So that's probably going to be the last call. I don't want to keep bugging him. I don't have time for that. But this particular property on Taylor Street was a home that we managed for a couple years. We actually inherited the tenant, and the tenant wasn't the most ideal. They were pretty much late every month. But again, we inherited this tenant, and so it was a lot of work, kind of extra work to manage a tenant who's always late, because there's more communication, more negotiation, that type of thing. But this owner never wanted to evict the tenant, and we just continued to accept the rent late every time, and it worked out fine. And eventually, when the owner wanted to sell, the tenant had to leave, and you know, we did that walkthrough, and so you kind of know what we do, what we look for when we're going to potentially sell a home that we're managing. Now, oftentimes, if they do want to sell, we're looking at who referred them to us. And if it was another real estate agent, then we would just refer that client back to that referring agent, because you know, we partner with real estate agents to get our property management deals. But if they didn't have a real estate agent connected to them, then like in this case, then a lot of times they would say, hey, well, you do property management, do you also do sales? And we typically do, and that's just additional revenue for the company. So didn't get this one, but maybe on the next one you can follow along and see the befores and afters. Thanks for watching, and just want to say, you know, if you've gotten to the end of this video and you like what you see, go ahead and subscribe, go ahead and like, hit the like button. We'd love it if you do that, and comment. Let me know what you think about this video, and if you want to see other real estate topics addressed, we'll go ahead and feature it. So until the next video, this is your favorite homeboy signing out.